Hi friends, welcome back to another exciting math adventure. In our last videos, we solved puzzles and found unknown step by step. Today, we are going to solve a new mystery using balance scales. Here's the problem. On the left scale, we have two triangles and a square that together weigh 18. On the right scale, we have a triangle, a circle, and another square, and they weigh 16. We already know that the square weighs 6, but we need to find the weight of the circle. Ready to solve this step by step? Let's start with the left-hand scale. The total weight here is 18, and we already know that one square weighs 6. Let's subtract the weight of the square from the total. 18 minus 6 equals 12, so the two triangles together weigh 12. Now, if two triangles weigh 12, what does one triangle weigh? Let's divide it by 2. Each triangle weighs 6. Now, let's solve the right-hand scale. The total weight here is 16. We know that the triangle weighs 6 and the square weighs 6. First, let's subtract the weight of the triangle and the square from the total. 16 minus 6 equals 4. That means the circle weighs 4. Ta-da! We did it! The circle weighs 4. See how easy it is when we break the problem into small steps? Solving math puzzles can be so much fun. Great work, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll become a math detective in no time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more math adventures. See you next time. Bye!